Recording the sewer line here at 210 East 12th. Date's July 14th, 2020. What we're looking at there is a Seattle City main. That main is running up and down East John Street, down on the block, intersecting down here. We're going to pull back from here and take a look at the line. Everything back from here is owned by the owners of this house, 210. Well, the entire line is owned by 210. So, based on the map here, and I'll include a picture of this map in the proposal that I write up, just so you got a reference point. But coming back from the city main, that's where all that water's flowing by. We are in 6-inch old original clay pipe from when this place was built 100 some odd years ago. Every 3 feet there is a seam in the pipe. These pipes are put together in 3-foot chunks, so there's a seam there you're looking at. There's another one. I zeroed out the footage so you can get an idea of the length of the line here. Turn, coming back, you got little tiny dangling cobwebs or something right there. So, top of the pipe there that you're seeing right there, there's a chunk of clay pipe missing. So, see it right there? It's starting to fall apart. It's the old clay section. I'm going to go locate where this is exactly and be right back. Pausing the video for just a second. Alright, we're going to keep coming back from that spot. Yeah, if you want, I'll show you the next one. Hold on. Yeah, there's a chunk missing too there. That's a tie into the line, so that's another line that's coming in. That's supposed to be there.
Okay.
That half-inch shape there. Same with that one there.
Okay.
Difference between those and the brakes, though. Oh, that's us dropping into a turn and coming up out of this access point. So here is the clean out we're recording this from. I'm going to do a little more locating work, but I'm going to end the recording there.